eyes? Where's your eyes? Nose. Nose. Where's your nose? Nose. Your teeth. 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 Where's your teeth? Teeth. Mouth. 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 Where's your head? Head. Where's your head? Bulay. Where's your head? Head. Turo yung head. Head.
Blue.
What?
Blue.
A color blue. Very good.
Blue.
Blue. Ah, scarlet.
Blue.
Ears.
Ew.
Very good. Ears. Eyes.
Eye.
Eyes.
Eye.
Nose.
Let's
Nose. Teeth. Teeth. Very good. Mouth. Mouth. Mouth.
Blue. Blue.
Blue? Nasaan ang blue?
Blue.
Where's your hair?
Hey.
Ay, very good hair. Ang ganda ng hair. Mukha kang bruha. Oh, hair. Hair. Ah, call mo si Tito.
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 Mommy. Mommy.
Si Daddy.
Daddy. Daddy.
Baby.
Big.
Si Baby.
Six.
Baby?
Six.
Oh, si Ate. Si Ate. Oh, call mo si Ate. Si ating maldita. Ah, hindi. Oh. Ate. Call Ate. Ate ganda. Maganda ka? Tingin. Patingin naman kung maganda ka.
Hi.
Nagpaganda.
Hi.
Oh,
Hi.
oh, call mo si Ate JD ganda. Ate.
Hello.
Ate.
Hello.
Ate. Ate.
Hi.
Hi. Hi, Mommy.
Ikaw daw, baby.
Oh, ikaw daw, baby.
Baby.
Oh.
Ikaw. JD ako.
Oh, sing kayo. ABC.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X,
Y, and Z. Now I know my
ABC. Next time,
Oh, count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
8.
9,
Ay, pinutol mo. Count.
9,
1,
1, 2, 3,
oh, count.
4,
4,
5,
6. Scarlett, count. 8,
9,
10.
1,
Oh.
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
4,
5,
5.
6, 7, 8, 8, 8, let me stand
Labas din niya. Yay! Ate? Ni ate? Call mo si ate.
Okay.
Ate. Si Tito. Tito Diwa. Call Tito.
Tito.
Tito. May accent ka talaga eh. Tito. Oy.
Daddy.
Daddy, daddy.
Mommy.
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 Oy, sleep ka.
Mommy. Double. Smile home. Eating me.
Gandi.
Bye.
Oh, bye-bye. Bye-bye mo si ate. Bye.
A, B, E,
really shouldn't have.
Wow.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yay!
That's my postcard.
Where's the letter S? Get the letter S.
Only Susie.
Uh-oh.
I really missed you, Peppa. I missed you too, Susie.
Peppa and Susie are
Yeah,
best
right.
friends.
Letter S.
Here is Mr. Zebra, the postman.
A postcard all the way from Italy.
We got here quicker than the
You can put the beside the letter S, Scarlett.
From our holiday. Did you have a nice time?
What?
Holiday, Peppa? Yes. Did you have a nice time? It rained every day. Oh, goody. That means there'll be muddy puddles.
Uh-oh. Scarlett, come here. Scarlett, give that. Wait, Mark. I'm gonna give this to Mark. To Carlos.
Why can't you just relay a message for me?
Hi, Scarlett. How are you?
IT Uncle Mark.
Hey, girl.
Oh.
I can't get her to do the smallest little thing when it comes to you. I said I can't get her to do the smallest little thing when it comes to you.